Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Turn this light on a little bit, maybe. Blue. Let some people get on here. All right, let me get my coffee. I'll be right back. Look at that shit. Shoot, oh wait, this way. My girl got me the shoe organizer. Pretty dope. Boom. Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing? This is very nice. This is very nice. This is very nice. I'll be right back. XYZ. XYZ. We got time. I definitely sold most of it up here, but we got time. All right, un momento. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to reset this damn thing. Okay. All right, where we going? Where we headed, fam? Where we headed, fam? So far, we're getting rejected at the 663 level. I didn't even put a level there. I mean, I guess we could. With bearish divergence. So I do think we're going to continue to the downside. However, I would wait for, so we have, first off, we have no news. We have a short week, okay? And then we have, excuse me, and then we have consumer confidence numbers Tuesday, PPI, unemployment, and then we have Thanksgiving on Friday, nothing scheduled report-wise, and an early close for the market. So we have a short week. On top of that short week, we have news days Tuesday and Wednesday, and today is nothing. So very curious to see if, how volatile this week is. Maybe some news will drop about something and give us a good move either up or down. But right now, obviously, I would be leaning more to the downside. We could break up we could break up, right? We're kind of in the middle of both, so we got to prepare for both, right? So we have some no trade zones, and we have some levels to be wary of. So this right here on SPY, the 66590 and 66727. This is definitely a supply, right? This is from the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So this is what I'm looking for rejecting, especially with this bearish divergence. It kind of sets me up perfect. So we can wait for price if it does get to here, right? Wait for it to reject and take it from 66570 down, see what it does, pre-market highs, right? And then continue down. Or, we open, we could just do a wick, or it could just go, just start going straight down. Then we wait. This would be our no trade zone. All right, so let me get a different color. Oh, boom, boom. Oh, red. Boom, right here is no trade zone. Okay. So the reason why this is, and if you guys have questions along the way, make sure to just ask in the chat. All right, so this is our no trade zone. The reason why this is our no trade zone is because this is potential bounce that I'd be looking for. I'll be looking for that 659, 656.5 bounce. That's technically an untested Asia high. So I'll be looking for that bounce. Therefore, I would not go short in this zone. And I would wait till we broke below that wait till we broke below the 65650. So that's pretty good, right? So we can keep that in mind for there. And then below 65650, I mean, we really could go all the way down to 64990, 650. If we do break that 650, I mean, really 0.8, but it's okay. We'll go, yeah, right there, 650, 50, to 647. So that wouldn't be too bad. We definitely got some good moves that we could catch. And let's see. Ugly. I feel like today's just gonna be a mess. Don't get caught in chop either, guys. I mean, this is just chop, So we have NVIDIA. I don't really like at all. I think NVIDIA's got to be one of the most ugly charts. Oh, excuse me. I have seen. Tesla. How are we looking? Tesla with the little gap up. Still ugly. But Tesla above 402.7 to 408. That's a good one. It's a good move. I'll take that. I'll take Tesla to the upside. Bearish divergence. I'll take Tesla to the downside. I think if we break that 3945, we could go down to 386. So we could probably put that there. What's the difference? What's the difference here? I like that better. Give us more room. But then Oh. kind of a zone you don't really want to touch, really, but yeah, I would actually just not touch this. I would just wait. Just wait for either side to break. It's not worth it to try to get caught up in that, especially with Tesla. Their contracts be expensive, bro. So not worry about that. AMD, I think I liked the other day. Yeah, AMD, I still like. Slight bearish divergence on it. I like AMD. I like AMD. I like AMD below 201. Go to 195. Probably want to touch it here. 207, 209, 10, 11, 12. I'd rather take it 209 to 212 and below 200 to 195. So nice. Meta, we're up $5 with bearish divergence. Now, see, Meta, I think we'll see that 603 reject. That would be nice. If we get a 603 reject on Meta and take it all the way back down, I mean, these moves be crazy, bro. 597, 587, 595, 582. That's insane. Oh, but this is like what we're looking for. This is like the most perfect setup in the world. All right, now, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Over exaggerate a little bit, but 603.37. Look at that. We broke above it. We got weak right away, right? And then we just held right here. We didn't keep pushing. We just held. Boom. Break back below, right? Boom. Lower low. Inverse fair value gap. Retrace to that key level. Entry. Downside. High time frame liquidity sweep with the inverse on the 5 minute, and then the retest to the down to the next low. Right, you could really target like right there. I want that to happen again. Boom, boom, boom. But look, some people feel like they get FOMO here. Don't get FOMO here. This is just telling you, like, all right, cool, load some puts. What you guys want me to look at for you? Hood. Oh wow. Needless to say, I think we're gonna come up and fill some gaps and then fall. We shall see. Hood, I'm not really too keen on, but it could inverse this whole. I mean, everything could inverse everything or just continue down. So that's great. Qs. Q's always good. See, 659, 656. Let me do this. Let's pull up SPY and Q's. See how different that is? Yeah. or 5895 to 581. We can see a big move down on the Qs. I'm gonna be watching Qs for 597 reject. You could take it long. All right, we're gonna go over two different scenarios for Qs. Qs, we got the 6636. We could take above to 66585, like 666. This is definitely what I'm looking for it to do. I mean, shit. And then if we do break, if we just open and come right below here, then we could see it all the way down to 650 from 656, right? I was gonna say, hold on, let's look right. Boom, there you go. 589.5 to 581. So 597 reject, right? Sweep, reclaim, down. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's make some freaking money today, dude. And then we'll see what happens at this 5895. We'll trim here. And then if we do break below the 5895, we'll just take it down to 581, 582, and call it a day. Let me see this 588. Yeah. I mean, you could be on the safe side even. You don't know. That is also order block. Right here on the bull side. We'll see. We'll see. Coin. Let's look at you guys' Bitcoin. Let's get you guys' Bitcoin. Oh yeah. You Bitcoin bag holders are screwed. No, I'm just kidding. Kind of. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Bitcoin's coming right to my level. Let's go. Let's see if it comes all the way down, baby. Let's go. What are we at? Look how much it's lost. $86,000 from 126. Down 36%. That's insane. Bear market territory. Multiple stocks are in bear market territory, so see how much lower we go. I know Hood's got to be one of my favorites. That's down 33%. It's crazy. Yeah, it's just a nice flag. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna drop like a rock today. Oh, I hope we do. Oh, I hope we do. Give me that. Already turning. Oh, I can't wait. All right. Well, we'll see what happens today. Be patient. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out on the Discord. Reach out on the Instagram and Lobby Trading Academy. And come make some money, bro. People profiting every single day. 550, 600, 600, 600, 100, 200, 200, 150, 200. Come on, y'all. Now or never. Lock in. All right. This is literally the best time to start investing. Literally the best time.